In previous videos, I explained you the summary of my childhood and the answers of thinking about text. Now in this video, we learn about thinking about language. Here students, thinking about language. Find the sentences in the text where these words occur. Means you have to find these words in the text, and these words are in the sentences in your lesson. So first one is erupt. This word comes in 6 times. Like when something erupts, it happens suddenly. Example, a lively discussion erupted about the tour. When the people in a place become angry or violent, we can say them erupt. Example, people of our colony erupted in protest. When riots or war erupted suddenly begins. Example, riots in the town erupted after a trivial incident. When a volcano erupts, it throws out lava, ash, etc. Example, the volcano is still erupting. Surge. Surge is a sudden great increase in something. If people or vehicle surges forward, they move forward. Third, if water surges, it moves forward suddenly and powerfully. Fourth, if an emotion surges in you, you feel it suddenly. Third word is trace. Trace, to traverse, to track, to follow step by step, to detect, to mark the outline of something, or to find out. The word, the text means to find out. Undistinguished, not eminent, ordinary. So these are the words you find in your text. Now second question is, match the phrases in column A with their meanings in column B. A and B. Here there are some phrases given, and there is in column B, there is its meaning. So now broke out means begin suddenly in a violent way. So this one is first. In accordance with, according to a particular rule, principle or system. A helping hand means assistance. Could not stomach means was not able to tolerate. Fifth, generosity of spirit. Fifth one is an attitude of kindness, a readiness to give freely. And sixth one is figures of authority, means here persons with power to make decisions. This one is sixth. In second question, study the words in italics in the sentence below. They are formed by prefixing un or in to their antonyms. Here you see the words in italics: undistinguished, inessential, unaffected, inequality, and intolerance. You see here there is un, in. These are the prefix in these words which is added and make a negative word, opposite meaning. So from the opposite of words below by prefixing un or in. Un और in का यूज करके स्टूडेंट्स हमें इन वर्ड्स को इनके अपोजिट्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. The prefix in can also have the forms il, ir or im. For example, illiterate, ill, literate. Impractical, im plus practical. Irrational, ir plus rational. Now we make these sentences in opposite form. Adequate, inadequate. Demanding, undemanding. Patriotic, unpatriotic. Logical, illogical. Acceptable, unacceptable. Active, inactive. Disputed, undisputed. Legal, illegal. Regular, irregular. True, untrue. Accessible, inaccessible. Responsible, irresponsible. Tolerant, intolerant. Permanent, impermanent. Coherent, incoherent. And possible, impossible. So with the help of these prefixes, you make these words in their opposite meanings. So students, your homework is to complete it in your fair notebook and learn it.